The RAZEAK 60% mechanical keyboard is a compact and feature-rich addition to any gamer setup. With its 61-key design, this mini keyboard offers a space-saving solution without compromising functionality. The key combination feature ensures you have access to all the necessary keys, making it a versatile choice for gamers and professionals alike. One of the standout features is the N-key rollover technology, which provides an independent mechanical switch and 61 keys anti-ghosting. This means you can execute complex key combinations with precision and accuracy, ensuring a smooth and responsive gaming experience. The blue switches offer a satisfying tactile feedback, providing a long-lasting and stable operation, perfect for intense gaming sessions. The dual-color translucent keycaps are a unique touch, offering a two-tone design that not only looks stylish, but also ensures better light transmission. This feature is particularly useful in low-light conditions, allowing you to see the keys clearly and enhancing your overall gaming experience. Speaking of lighting, the RAZEAK keyboard boasts a cool and colorful RGB backlight with 19 backlighting modes. This adds a fun and immersive element to your setup, especially during gaming sessions. The backlight is not just aesthetically pleasing, but also practical, providing illumination in dimly lit environments and adding a touch of ambience to your desk. The human-centric design of this keyboard is evident in its adjustable height options. You can choose between a flat surface and two angle adjustments, catering to different user preferences and ensuring a comfortable typing or gaming experience. Additionally, the detachable USB-C connector cable adds to its portability, making it easy to pack and take with you on the go. Overall, the RAZEAK 60% mechanical keyboard is an excellent choice for gamers seeking a compact and feature-packed peripheral. Its combination of anti-ghosting technology, satisfying blue switches, and customizable backlighting makes it a standout option in the world of gaming keyboards. Whether you're a casual gamer or a pro, this keyboard is sure to enhance your setup and provide an enjoyable typing and gaming experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.